Hello to all the tech geeks out there. This is your Tech Mic welcoming you to the brand new video of unboxing Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G. Yes, you heard it right. This is a brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G which is released by Samsung little more than a week ago. You can see I'm holding right in front of you the box, which is elegantly packed, and the color is the mint for the phone that I've selected. Just to give you a feel of how the box is, I can show you some specifications here. The one that we have picked up is 8 GB with the 256 GB variant, and it is the mint color. You can see, let me bring closer to the camera. It is all sealed and not opened. So we're going to unbox it for the first time to get you a feel of how it looks like. Let's do it. Pretty standard box. Let's see what is in store for us for the unboxing. Shall we start? Yes, let's get going. So let's do this. Here we go. Let me do this. This is, after all, meant for the fans, and I want to see along with you what is in it for the fans, for the fan edition that you have brought out. Voila! There you go. It is very elegantly sitting inside in the box in all its glory. Let's just bring it up. This is the first time ever. Take a good look at it, my friends, from the back. It feels pretty premium for the touch. Very neatly done. Look at the cameras, very elegantly positioned and adds to the overall aesthetic of the phone. Let us peel this. Let's see this. Wow. Take a look at this. What a nice feeling to unfold right in front of you or unwrap. Wow. This is also a premium material, adds to the unboxing experience. There you go. The brand new phone in all its glory. Let me just turn to the sideways. Very elegant feel, a little bit curvy. Very firm grip in the hand, and the screen looks very premium. I'll power it on in a bit. Let's look at the exteriors. Yes, there is a bit of a sticker here. Let's get it out. If you do not want to have it on it, keep it aside. And all the three cameras. Yes, it looks very premium, holding in the hand. And of course on the sides we have some buttons. Let's talk about that too. Let's look at what is there in the box. They have provided Type-C to Type-C cable for powering the smartphone itself and for transferring the data maybe. But you know what? They have not given the brick. That's something that is expected for a brand like Samsung when they're selling premium phone like this. Let's look at what it has. I'll just power this on. For a premium phone like this, there is a lot to be expected. It looks really premium in the hand, like I already mentioned, and therefore I'm trying to see for the fan edition, for the fans, whether it lives up to the expectations in terms of delivering what is expected of the phone itself. And therefore I shall power it on. Nothing else otherwise in the box. Some bit of literature. Let's power it on. I think that's pretty much. Let's take a good hard look one more time from all angles for this, so that you can see there is the Type-C port for charging and for transferring the data. The other view, and of course you can see at the bottom here there is the Samsung badging or the branding, and that's pretty much, friends. Stay in there if you want to completely see the first-hand experience of how it is. I'll just power it on and set this up. Let's take this for a spin and see if it is delivering on the premium flagship experience that fans would expect from Samsung. So friends, let's now power it on for the first time ever. This is just taken out of the box and powered on to show you the live demonstration of the setup here. You can see already the Samsung branding, Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, it says, powered by Android at the bottom for the branding. Of course, this is the Android premium phone. Let's allow some time for it to power on completely, and let's set it up, and then we can take a quick look and the first-hand experience. The initial impressions maybe? Yes, it says welcome English India start. Let's go ahead and say start.